TLearn is our learning management system here at Trinity University. This is where many faculty put their course materials, create announcements, have quizzes, collect assignments, and post grades throughout the year. To navigate to TLearn, you'll want to type in tlearn.trinity.edu into your favorite browser. After which you'll want to add your username and password. This username and password is the same one that you would utilize when accessing TigerPaws. As a reminder, this password is going to be different from the one that you use for your Tmail. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the very front homepage. This page is where announcements come from the administrators of TLearn. You can also find useful resources on your right-hand side, as well as other information and announcements. As a student, you'll want to navigate up to the menu button in the upper left-hand corner. Here's where you will find your dashboard, calendar, and the courses that you're currently enrolled in. When navigating out and selecting the dashboard, you'll be taken to see all of the courses that are available to you that you are currently enrolled in. This means that classes that have been assigned to you prior to this year, as well as courses that you have registered for and have been approved, will show up through here. Many courses will also show how complete the course is based on the assignments that are in it. Under calendar, you'll be able to add different events and assignments to your calendar. Additionally, as assignments are created in your courses by your faculty members, if they have due dates, they will also show up on this calendar. This can be a very helpful calendar as you progress through the year. Next, we're going to talk about the different courses. So when you select a course, it takes you out to the course's homepage. This shows you any announcements, assignments, quizzes, and any other additional information that a faculty member may provide for you. By clicking on announcements, you'll be able to see different communications that they have sent out to you as the student in their class. You'll also be able to check in on assignments and upload assignments as they come across. Here you can also take quizzes and get graded for those quizzes. Speaking of grades, within a course, you're able to navigate up to the grades button here in the left-hand corner. Here's where you will see the different assignments that have been assigned to you, as well as it will tell you how many points those assignments are worth. Once a faculty member has graded the assignment, your grade will show up here under grade. It will also give you a percentage of how well you did within the assignment based on the total amount of points. If the faculty member decides to give you any feedback, that will also show up here. The final thing that's important within TLearn is being able to check some of the participants within your courses. By selecting participants, you can see the other students that are attending your course. It will show them here on the left-hand side, and you'll be able to navigate through them and see who else is in your course. Aside from the actual courses, you are able to edit and update your profile by selecting the little down arrow next to the picture if you do have a picture uploaded. This is under profile is where you'll be able to upload a new photo as well as change some information about yourself. You can also check for messages that come in and out through your TLearn. Sometimes faculty will send messages this way rather than through email, so it's always something to keep mind of. If you do have a notification or message, a little bubble will show up here at the very top, right by your name. That's the basics of TLearn, and your faculty members will be able to provide additional information and resources for you as you continue through the semester.